Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase your Binance Alpha Points. Alpha Points are your gateway to exclusive opportunities and early token offerings within the Binance ecosystem. You can earn these points daily, primarily through your asset holdings. Your balance points are calculated based on the total value of eligible assets held across your Binance Exchange spot accounts, Binance Wallet, and even certain PancakeSwap liquidity provider tokens. Another significant way to boost your alpha points is through your trading activity, specifically by accumulating volume points. These are calculated based on your purchase volume of alpha tokens. For every $2 you spend on alpha token purchases, you earn 1 point. The system rewards higher engagement, with points scaling up as your purchase volume doubles. Remember, only your buying activity counts towards these points. To truly maximize your alpha points, consistent participation is key. Your eligibility for points is often tied to a rolling 15-day cycle, so staying active helps maintain your balance. It's also important to remember that alpha points can expire, so keep track of their validity. Regularly checking the Rewards Hub for new campaigns, games, and tasks will provide additional avenues to earn more points. Ultimately, increasing your Binance Alpha Points unlocks a world of exclusive rewards. These points grant you access to special alpha airdrops, giving you free tokens. You can also participate in token generation events, offering early access to new cryptocurrencies before they are publicly traded. Furthermore, engage in Binance Wallet Booster campaigns for even more rewards. These points are truly your key to maximizing your experience on Binance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.